Hey, what's going on, guys? Perspective here, and wifey and I just picked up our badges for TwitchCon, and they were giving out swag bags. Looks like this. Got a couple of things inside it, which I did not really take the time to take a look at. So that's what we're gonna do here today. Let's get into it. First in this swag bag, we got this tall GFuel cup. I was looking forward to this. The other TwitchCons, I noticed that they were giving away the shorties. But this one right here, oh yeah, I actually like this a lot. This is really dope. A little closer look for you guys right here. Real dope. What we got in here? We got some advertisement for Lightstream Studio, advertisement for Stream Captain, a Twitch Prime pin to let everyone know that you're a Twitch Prime subscriber. We got a pack of cigarettes. I'm just kidding. It's Magic of the Gathering cards. Pretty dope. I don't personally play Magic of the Gathering, but pretty sick for something free, right? A Honda pin. And it's kind of stupid because, so when I got this pin, right, it says collectible edition number 1 out of 25,000. And I'm just like, are you serious? Is this really the first one out of 25,000? Wifey opened up her bag and it's the same number, so. And then 100 bits. There's a code in the back, which I ain't gonna show you, but she redeemed the code, which is located there. Got some Starburst candy I guess it's for us to visit this booth, which I guess is called .TV. I don't know anything about .TV or whatever this is, Red Dot TV or something, but enough of that. This one is actually, it's a dog tag, it's a squad. I'm always playing PUBG all the time, so I think it's actually pretty sick. Get a dog tag, put a label on, it says Village Idiot. Yes sir, Village Idiot reporting for duty. Alright, but check this out. This right here is nothing they gave us. It's the sunglasses. The casing for the sunglasses is really nice. It's very soft material. But I did take a quick look at these glasses earlier today, and they're kind of strange, dude. Oh yeah. And $5 off of the Loot Crate booth, which actually Loot Cave booth. Don't know what the heck that is, but I'm gonna check it out on Saturday. Anyway, thanks guys for taking a quick look at these with me, and thanks again for watching. Actually, you know what? Real quick, before we end this, it's not a complete unboxing if I don't unbox this, so let's take a look. Okay, so we got Magic the Gathering Arena. It's got codes for in-game goodies. You know what, I don't play Magic the Gathering Arena, so if you would please hit the subscribe button and like the video, I will flip this card and you can take the codes out of it, alright? I mean, you probably ain't gonna like or subscribe, but if you do, thank you in advance. Here are the codes, guys. Go and get it. And then we got Dungeons and Dragons Beyond. Alright, now let's get the beef right here. Let's take a look at this. Your path begins here. As a green mage, you command the forces of the natural world, and the power of life itself fuels your magic. Summon enormous beasts to trample your opponents on your way to victory. It includes 2 ready-to-play 30-deck cards, a welcome letter, and 2 reference cards. Don't know for whom that is, because I don't play Magic. It's got a little guide here for how to play, and then here are the 2 decks of cards. Very shiny. I'm a collector kind of guy, and because I used to collect Pokemon cards and stuff back in the day, I'm very, very tempted to open these up, but I ain't gonna open these up. There's no point. I'm just gonna ruin them. But anyway, this is what comes inside. I don't know if these are any good. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you loved it, subscribe and stay tuned, because I will see you in the next video. Peace.
Perspective. Actually, are you like a rapper?
Kind of. You want to hear me spit?
Like
only if it's that.
Sure.
Alright.
Perspective. Need your
Yo, I like to
Okay,
rap,
correction.
but it's so whack because I'm in a group with a guy named Gorzak. Dave, boy, oh boy, don't know what to do, but I'm gonna play some joke.